I am so freaking bored. I'll call Judge Hopkins and Ronald, for they can help me with something.
So Sentinel Prime, you called me and Ronald here because you need help with something. What is it?
Well, I need your help with creating an operating system called SPJHR.10S to get revenge on Flopsy Railway Productions for making grounded videos out of us.
Oh my god. That sounds like a great idea. I'm looking forward to helping out with the operating system.
Man, it is such a great day for me to make grounded videos. What is this? Well, I'd like to try out the new operating system. What the hell just happened?
Flopsy Railway Productions, the only reason that me, Judge Hopkins, and Ronald only left the yes button is because we wanted to do that to force you to install SPJHR.10S. And even if you hit the X button, it would have failed.
Welcome to SPJHR.10S. Me, Sentinel Prime, and Ronald will be your guide, but turns will be taken. All we have are Windows 7 sounds. Well, me, along with Judge Hopkins and Sentinel Prime, say that because we don't want you using Google Chrome out of fear you will look up something that we hate.
I might as well click on extras, because I want to see if there are other things I want to do on this operating system.
You wouldn't dare.
I can't believe I was forced to install SPJHR.10S. That's it. I am going to call the police on Sentinel Prime, Judge Hopkins, and Ronald for this.
You three are under arrest for forcing Flopsy Railway Productions to install your OS. Get in the police car right now. You three are going to jail for a long time.
Oh. Sentinel Prime, how dare you force Flopsy Railway Productions to install your OS and get arrested along with Judge Hopkins and Ronald. That's it. You three are grounded for 38,479,283 years.
You three will be doing community service as soon as you get out of jail.
We will be seeing you whenever we see you. Goodbye.
Well, I guess that we're stuck in here, and as soon as our jail sentence is completed, we'll be doing community service.